I'm not trying to take a tree to the face. Alright, so it's currently day 9. We're back in North Carolina. We are south of the Great Smoky Mountains National Park. On this great little river. It's actually feeding from Fontana Lake. And really, I don't think anyone's really here right now. The road is pretty busy behind me. But there's plenty of camping spots and I haven't seen anyone hanging out at them. So, and it's a weekend, which kind of tells you something about this area. But yeah, I think we're just gonna hang out, swim a little bit. Water's nice and warm, and then make some food. And we might camp out here. I'm not sure yet, but we're just kind of going with the flow at this point. So, yep. Alright, so I'm starting to notice a pretty bad trend here, and that's basically the dead trees that are just laying around. There's tons of them everywhere. There's actually 2 back at that spot that I was just at, and I don't know about you, but I'm not trying to take a tree to the face in my sleep and not wake up tomorrow. So, with that being said, we're gonna get out of here and try to find another spot. I've got a couple ideas, and yeah, we'll see how it works. Alright, so it's currently day 10. After the river yesterday, we headed west towards Robbinsville, North Carolina, and there's a little lake that we camped out on. It was pretty packed because it is a weekend, and it's also Father's Day weekend, so it's been extremely just jam-packed in this area. But other than that, there's a pretty big storm coming up from the south, and it's supposed to hit Sunday morning, which is tomorrow. So I was planning on leaving on Monday morning, but we'll probably just head a little bit early just to stay safe and not to deal with all that. But also to mention, tomorrow is my birthday, so I wanted to do the hike tomorrow. But instead, we're going to do this hike tonight, or I guess right now, and then be set up for the night for the birthday. But because I don't have a rucksack, I've got to carry all my stuff up there and make about 2 to 3 trips with stuff like this. So I'll be a little bit busy today, and then tomorrow morning when I come back down. But it's only 1.5 miles, so it shouldn't be too bad. So, yeah. Alright, so finally got set up at camp right now. So had to do 2 trips total. So 6 miles today, not too bad. But yeah, the spot we're at is called Wig Meadow. It's on the North Carolina and Tennessee state line. But great spot overall. Unfortunately, it's super foggy right now. Probably won't because of the bad weather we're supposed to get. But yeah, this will probably be the last time I talk to you guys. I'm probably gonna start the fire soon, have myself a little birthday cigar, and then yeah, go to bed. So see you guys next time.